Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to warp text in Krita. So if you would like to do it, first we need to move our cursor to the left upper corner and we need to click on text tool. Then we need to add here a new text. So we need to change the font. For example, I select here Arial. I'm going to change font size maybe to 16th. And now I change the text. For example, I type here simple text effect. And then we need to save change, so I click on save button and I click close button to close this window. How you see, text has been successfully added to our project. So now we need to click right mouse button on the vector layer and we need to go to convert and select here convert to paint layer. Then we need to go to transform tool, so I click on it. And now you need to go to tool options because on default it may be set to advanced color selector. So we need to open tool options and now we need to go to icon with a warp. How you see, our text has been successfully selected here, but I recommend you to add more anchor points. So I will increase subdivide maybe to 6 or 7. How you see, it looks really great. And now you can easily modify your text, so you can warp it if you want. The effects depends on your preferences, so maybe I will change position of these dots, this dot, or maybe this dot too. So I recommend you to test this tool because it may be really useful in your projects. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And if you want to support me, you can do it from links in the description.